Earthquakes can be caused by a variety of factors, including tectonic activity, volcanic activity, landslides, and even human activity like fracking or underground mining. The largest earthquake ever recorded was the 1960 Valdivia earthquake in Chile, which had a magnitude of 9.5 on the Richter scale. Earthquakes can trigger other natural disasters like tsunamis, landslides, and even volcanic eruptions. Earthquakes don't just happen on land, they can also occur underwater and are known as underwater earthquakes or tsunamis. The study of earthquakes is called seismology, and seismologists use instruments called seismographs to measure seismic waves and determine the size and location of earthquakes. Seismology has helped us learn more about the Earth's interior and how tectonic plates move and interact.